When comparing SlickPie versus ZarMoney, it's essential to ask which is more feature-rich and which is better suited for your needs. Both are solid accounting tools, but let's dive into their features, strengths, and weaknesses to figure out which one is truly the best fit for you. By the end of this video, you'll know which software stands out, and we'll reveal an even better alternative you may not have considered. First, let's start with SlickPie. SlickPie markets itself as an easy-to-use solution for small businesses, and it really does excel in simplicity. It offers key features like invoicing, expense tracking, and automated data entry through its MagicBot feature. It's a nice starting point for those who don't want to deal with overly complex software. The downside? The features can feel a bit too basic if you're running a business with more complex needs. It doesn't offer time tracking, project management, or extensive reporting, which limits its usefulness as your business grows. Next thing, let's look at ZarMoney. ZarMoney is built to offer more robust accounting features, such as advanced reporting, multiple currency support, and greater customization. One standout feature is its ability to create and manage multiple businesses within the same account, which is a nice perk for anyone managing more than one company. However, the interface can feel a bit more cluttered compared to SlickPie. It's not quite as intuitive, and the learning curve could be steeper for beginners. But for users who need comprehensive features like detailed reporting and advanced invoicing, ZarMoney shines. Moving on, let's talk about pricing. SlickPie offers a free version, which can be great if you're a small business or a freelancer just getting started. But the free plan has limitations, particularly when it comes to integrations and certain advanced features. ZarMoney, on the other hand, isn't free, but does provide more comprehensive plans with a 30-day free trial. It's definitely more scalable, but the price point may be a deterrent for smaller businesses that don't need all the bells and whistles just yet. Now, let's talk customer support. With SlickPie, many users report that while the support team is friendly, it can take a while to get a resolution for more complex issues. This could be a deal breaker if you need fast responses when managing your finances. ZarMoney, on the other hand, offers live chat and phone support, which is definitely an advantage for those who require quick help, but still, it's not perfect and may take some time during peak hours. The fourth thing we need to address is scalability. As your business grows, you'll need software that can grow with you. SlickPie's limited features may work in the short term, but it could quickly feel restrictive as your needs expand. ZarMoney's scalable plans are a definite plus here. However, while it's more capable of handling growth, the complexity of the platform may not be suitable for every user. Lastly, when it comes to integrations, ZarMoney definitely wins here. It has more integrations with payment platforms, e-commerce sites, and even banking institutions, giving you the flexibility to automate your workflows seamlessly. SlickPie, on the other hand, offers fewer integrations, which could hinder its usefulness for businesses relying heavily on these integrations. To sum it up, both SlickPie and ZarMoney offer solid features, but the software you choose depends on your business size and goals. If you're just starting and need something simple, SlickPie is a good option. However, for those seeking more features, scalability, and flexibility, ZarMoney is the stronger choice, though it might take a bit more time to learn. But after testing both, I recommend taking advantage of the first link in the description for a better alternative. These softwares are great for smaller scale businesses, but for a feature-rich, scalable option that grows with your business, this alternative is the best solution, and with our exclusive offer, you'll get a free trial to check it out for yourself. So, check the first link in the description to try the best software for growing your business today.